Today, we will learn about counting money with Teacher May. What is money? It is the medium in which prices and values are expressed. It circulates from person to person and country to country. The currency used in the Philippines is the Philippine peso. The Philippine bills are in different colors. There are 7 denomination coins in the Philippines. How to count money. To count money values, we count from the largest amount. First, we add all the bills, then the coins. 100 plus 20 plus 15 is equal to 135 pesos. 200 plus 50 plus 10 plus 25 centavos is equal to 260 pesos and 25 centavos. We write these amounts as follows. Now, it is your turn to count the money. Good luck.